Good morning, 9 o'clock a.m., 9/8/2013. What do we have before us? NASDAQ Transportation Index. Unlike the small cap and the Russell, the transports have to lead rallies as they did over here when we had the correction early in 2013. We made an all-time multi-year high bull high up here. Then we got in the month of August, and you can see where that selling was here. But you can see that the 20-week moving average is a major wall of support. It just has not broke it. Once the transports breaks below that 20-week moving average, the broader markets are going to have an extreme problem. So when you look at the transports, you look at that Russell 2000, they both are going to follow the same pattern. This bull has been very, very strong here. It's below the 10-week. However, once we break below and these transports go below that 20-week, the broader markets are going to go lower with the transports, with the small cap, and the other indexes that are correlated here that have the same type of movement. So there's a bear transport ETF that we're going to look at. One of the things that we're also going to be looking at is the 2X bear called SIJ Proshares. You can clearly see here that we're down here. It rallied off of 17.50 up here to $19, but it is a bear 2X. So when the industrials and the transports go down, they're relatively the same. This particular bear ETF will go up in value relative to the transports. And once again, here's the NASDAQ Transports. It has a wall of resistance. So there are various ETFs that when we have these corrections, when this transport breaks this, the bull rally's in trouble, period. Financials, small cap, transports, all three of those are the most important one, the industrials and whatnot. Once we break below here, you're going to see a further down leg in the broader markets in September. So here's the update on the NASDAQ transports with an SIJ industrial bear ETF. SIJ, I believe, is the symbol again. And here it is, SIJ. It's below the 10-week moving average. It's going to come down and fill in that weekly base. On a weekly level, the daily level, you can see where we rallied up here. And then when the markets had their big up week in September, the first calendar week, we've come down toward the lows. I'm going to conclude the NASDAQ transports. The importance of the transports, they lead markets down. This is a daily snapshot at where it got support at the 100-day simple moving average on that yellow line. This is the correction. That transport had a real good correction in the month of August. It pops up here in the month of August and comes straight right back down and gets to that bottom support level. This is going to be crucial, and I say very crucial, for the broader markets in the very shorter term throughout the rest of the calendar month of September and October. When it breaks it, there are trades that we will do. You've got to have them rally in order for the bull to take its stand. If it breaks below the weekly, well, then the bull is not nearly as strong, and that is going to cause a lot of other selling in the broader market.